Hey guys, welcome back. Get ready for the ultimate summer vibes with 5 gorgeous nautical nail designs from splashy views to shimmering anchors. Let's dive right in. Start with a blue base and even layer of blooming gel. Don't cure it just yet. There are delicate white streaks over the wet gel. Watch it spread into a beautiful water effect, then cure. Next, use a candy red gel to paint a little fish swimming through your waves. Add a touch of gold glitter right on top for that perfect summer sparkle. Apply a drop of clear rubber top coat over the fish for a stunning 3D texture. Add one more layer of red gel to give it incredible depth. Make it look like truly underwater. Seal the entire nail with a glossy top coat. A perfect 3D summer water design. For our second look, let's start with a beautiful layer of cat eye gel. Use your magnet to bring out that velvety magical shimmer and cure. Let's paint a crisp white French tip to give this design a clean classic summer vibe. Now, carefully place a cute shell decal right in the center. To give it an elegant, realistic finish, apply a touch of nude jelly gel strictly over the decal. Time for some fun detail work. Use a liner brush to draw a playful little starfish and add tiny white dots to bring it to life. Seal everything in with a super glossy top coat. And there you go, a sophisticated beach-ready look. Let's try a fun hack. Gently blend some blue eyeshadow onto the tip for a flawless soft ombre effect. Seal and fix it in place with a quick layer of top coat. Next, sketch the outline of a classic nautical Lifebuoy. Section it off and alternate with bright red and crisp white gel polish. To make our Lifebuoy really stand out, float a thick layer of rubber top coat strictly over the design to give it an amazing 3D texture. Finish up by using black gel and a fine liner brush to paint a looping rope wrapping around the buoy. Look at that perfect beach vibe. For our fourth look, apply a matte top coat over a crisp white nail. Then blend the blue watercolor base to create a beautiful fluid ocean effect. Lock that gorgeous watercolor in place with a layer of top coat. Once cured, grab your fine liner brush to carefully sketch a sharp, bold anchor. To give it a premium finish, use a metallic gel to paint a shimmering rope wrapping around the anchor. Cure it and you're done. For our background, finally apply a matte top coat over white, layer and add fluid blue watercolor and seal it. While the top coat is still sticky, tap on some gorgeous gold foil accents. Next, grab your fine liner brush and black gel to paint a sleek dolphin silhouette riding the waves. Look how beautifully it pops against the gold. To finish, float a layer of top coat, but don't cure it just yet. Drop 3 clear beads onto the nail to look like real splashy water droplets. Then lock it all under the lamp.